Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be deep cleaning, and I mean extremely deep cleaning, the laundry room. I will also be doing some laundry motivation for you guys as well. So if this is something that you guys would like to watch, please keep on watching. Bye. Thanks guys. Alright guys, so first things first, I just want to explain to you how I'm doing it here. I'm going to start off with the washer part of the site first, just because I am limited space. It's very tight, plus on top of that, the recording process of this. So I'll be doing this side first. So after removing the washer, I'm going to sweep and mop the floor as best as I can, trying to remove anything that is there. Because I will be applying these adhesive liners for shelving that I picked up from Dollar Tree. I don't know what I was thinking. I thought it was going to work, but it did partially work. And I'm going to do the best I can in here. I did have flooding about 2 years ago, and our landlord doesn't want to fix it. So I'm just going to budget and do the best I can in here. And I know it looks wrinkly, but looks way so much better than it did before. Just so this can give myself some laundry motivation, so that I do not have to look at any of that mess. But so yeah, so after I'm done with the washer part of the side, I'll be replacing that bag and then take out the dryer, so that way I have space to do my cleaning and just pretty much what I need to do here. So on the dryer side, just be repeating the process as we did on the washer part of the side. So I just wanted to put that in there. How beautiful was that, right, you guys? Like, I am so happy with the end of the results. Like, I'm so excited. I cannot wait to do my laundry in here. So now next thing, we're going to remove everything from the wall, as well as the laundry stuff on the shelving, so I can dust and paint the top area of this. And then we're gonna move on to a mini Dollar Tree haul that I want to show you guys. How cute was that haul, right? Did you guys enjoy it, or what was your favorite part of the haul? Let me know down in the comments what you liked, or what you thought was cute, or But for me, it was the board sign with the clothespin, because I lose so many socks. As you saw in the beginning of the video, I had socks on the bottom of my washer. So when there is a missing sock, instead of throwing it out, I'm just going to hang my sock, which was so cool because I only got it at Dollar Tree for $1, girl. So now moving on to the washer, I'm going to clean in here. I'm just going to use some Pine Sol and a rag to clean in here. I don't know how often I clean it. I can't say bi-weekly or monthly because I just go based on how filthy it really is. So I'll just be adding this a fresh tablet into here so it can really give it that deep cleaning in here that it needs. And all you're gonna do is put that tablet in there, put it into your clean washer, and your hot temperature of water, and then your heavy duty as well, and that is it. And start your washer and it will clean it. So it'll be ready for, it'll be brand new and clean for to start washing your clothes. And it also gives your clothes a better smell and freshness to it as well. All right, so while we wait for the washer to clean, I'm just going on to the dryer part and just clean that as well. And then once we're done with that, I can move on to the shelf part, and I'll just be refilling jars and stuff like that, adding more soap and fabric softener and things like that. And actually, this is a container from, I had bought it for Kool-Aid one time from Walmart, and it was only $9 that I spent on this. But one of my tubs of detergent had busted, and I was so in a hurry trying to find something so I wouldn't waste my soap, and that jar dispenser was the only thing available at the time. And then now I just love the idea of this, like to use this for my soap. It was just more convenient, and just it just looks so much nicer in the laundry area. But that's what that is here. It's not actually for your detergent, it's actually for your cold drinks. But yeah, so I wanted to explain that here. And then they had a similar one at Dollar Tree, the one I showed you in the haul, for only $1, you guys. And I'm also going to use that for my fabric softener. I just love the look of it. I don't know if it's just me, but it just looks so much put together and more organized and nicely clean. But so yeah, so that's what I'm just going to be doing here. And then since I already had these labels, I'm just going to be applying these labels onto our containers there, so that way, I mean, I know what is what, but I think it just looks so much nicer and more organized like that. So you can do this, or you can totally skip this part, but up to you. All right, guys, so we're gonna move on to the basket, and I wanted to hang them here just because I needed that more room, and I need the space and storage for the laundry room. So all I'm going to be doing is using some zip ties that I picked up from Dollar Tree. They also have some black ones if you are interested, but clearly I'm going to use the clear ones here. So that way it's just more visible to the eye, you know, so you guys, I won't be able to see it because, you know, I have OCD and that will bother me seeing black on white stuck together like that. But anyways, so I did have to go back and cut it off because this is my first time ever doing this, and I wasn't liking how it was looking, and it was just hanging or swinging, so I just played around with it until I got the right how I like it. And the best way was to put the zip tie on top rather on bottom of the shelving with the basket, and it works so much better. It actually just stood up rather just hanging. So wanted to throw that in there, and then we can finally move on to putting everything back in order. All right, so we are done cleaning and just redoing this whole laundry room. Now we can fully move on to actually doing laundry. So after the floor is dry, I'll just be putting these mats that I got from Dollar Tree as well on here, and that is pretty much it. And now I can show you the after. All right, so now we can move on to doing the laundry. But I would like to hear from you guys what you guys think of the whole makeover of the laundry room. I know it wasn't much, but this is just a budget friendly makeover. I'm in a rented home and I didn't want to spend too much money on this. But so yeah, so I would love to hear from you guys, or just simply leave me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed. So now I've just parted my laundry with the jeans, whites, and colors and towels, and starting to, I don't know, I just feel really motivated right now, you guys, that I am ready to attack all this dirty laundry and can't wait to use my stuff that is organized. And but so yeah, so I cannot wait, you guys. And also, I also picked up this mesh thing that I picked up from Dollar Tree for my bras, because I am so sorry, guys, if you can hear my neighbor, they're mowing their yard. It's been raining so much here in Texas that everyone's yard is crazy looking right now. It is, the grass is so high. But I just wanted to say pardon to that if you can hear the lawnmower. But what was I saying? Gosh. Okay, so it came back to me. I remember now. What I was saying about the mesh, I bought it for my bras. That way, it just saved me so much money on constantly buying bras, because they were always getting damaged. And that way, this way, they can just stay in place and wash and dry with it being perfectly fine. But so yeah, so that's what I was going to say there. And then so of course here, this is your basic wash and dry. Take whatever's in the washer, put in your dryer. But in this case, I hang a lot of our shirts and dresses. I don't normally like to dry any of these. Anything that socks to underwears and things of that sort I will dry, but as in other stuff I will not. I wish I had a clothespin outside, that way I can hang our clothing out there rather than inside, because my house on laundry day, it is full with clothing everywhere because I hang our clothes on the entry of the door or in the washer part, as you guys seen. It just gets hectic because like I said, I hang a lot of our clothing. But so moving on to whatever was dry, I'm going to of course fold it, and then of course I'm going to put it away as well. Yay, so we made it towards the end of the video, and if you watched through the whole process, I applaud you, I salute you. I thank you from the bottom of my heart for watching. And so I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe, you guys, if you haven't already, and I would love to have you here on my channel. So that is pretty much it, and I have nothing else to say except I love you guys, and I will see you on my next one. Bye. Thanks, guys.